of return. The accounting rate of return is the percentage rate of return expected on investments or assets as compared to the initial investment cost. ARR is the average net income on asset is expected to generate and divide by its average capital cost expressed as an annual percentage. ARR does not consider the time value of money or cash flows, which can be an integral part for maintaining a business. ARR is a way of measuring return on investment. It is called as accounting rate of return because it uses the net income and compares to the cost of the investment. It is commonly used in the capital budgeting decisions. It is expected profitability from investments using simple estimations, which helps in evaluating capital projects. Uses of ARR. Accounting rate of return can be used when deciding on an investment or an acquisition. It factors in any possible annual expenses or depreciation expenses that is associated with project. Accounting rate of return is helpful in determining the annual percentage rate of return. The accounting rate of return does not differentiate between investments that yield different cash flows over the lifetime of the project. The formula to calculate accounting rate of return is accounting rate of return equal to average net profit divided by average investments multiplied by 100. The example of accounting rate of return is, for example, if the ARR is 5%, this means that the project is expected to earn 5% on every amount invested per year. Therefore, if the accounting rate of return is greater than or equal to the required rate of return, then the project is accepted. If the accounting rate of return is lesser than the required rate of return, the project should be rejected. This is the simple concept behind the accounting rate of return. Therefore, the higher the accounting rate of return, the more profitable. The steps to calculate the accounting rate of return are: firstly, calculate the annual net profit from the investment, which include revenue minus any annual cost implementing the project. If the project investment is fixed asset like land, plant, machinery, etc., subtract any depreciation expenses from the annual revenue. Divide the annual net profit by the initial cost of the asset, and then the result of the calculation will yield a decimal. Multiply the result with 100 to show the percentage return as a whole number. The advantages of accounting rate of return are: it is a simple method which uses the profit from an investment to know the return. It is easy to calculate and understand the payback pattern over the economic life of a project. This method enables the comparison of various projects of competitive nature. The disadvantages of accounting rate of return are: this method is based on accounting profits only and does not consider the cash inflows, taxes, etc. This method cannot be used when an investment in project is made at different times. When different projects are compared, this method does not consider the life period of various investments, and hence it may not produce accurate result as required. Disadvantages of Thus, using ARR will enable the investor to decide on viability and profitability of capital projects to be undertaken. It also helps to analyze the risk involved in investments. Thank you for watching this video.